we're going to drag a couple widgets in now. So we'll go over to Appearance and Widgets. And I've created a widget here for that. And I've created a couple widgets actually. And then in footer, I think I'm just going to add a pages widget. And let's see. And in footer 2, I'm going to add a recent posts widget. See if that's flushed us out at all. Okay, so we've got a little bit of extra padding in this thing. And I didn't really fully appreciate the fact that my color was going to be the same width as the things I set up here. So, you know, you're just going to have to bear with that, unfortunately, because that's not very good. So what is pushing the text widget away? Class. Oh, let's just make that float left. I think that's what's going on here. 2 columns, 3, 2, column 2, float left. Yeah, what I really should have done was made all of my things so that they fit nicely inside the green space instead of where they sit right now. But we're going to do one more thing, and that is add a feature box to this page. And we're going to do that from here. Go to HTML. We're going to pretend we're not doing this on our front page, but obviously we're not actually doing it on our front page because the front page doesn't work yet. But we go to our container, we'll call it a feature box. We'll add the feature box and give it a class of, well, didn't I call that page background? I think I did. We'll give it a class of page background because we're going to use the same background colors in it. Page background. And then we're going to create another box, feature box columns. Add the feature box columns, and whoops. And its background is going to be that columns 3, 2. Because it's going to be that same column configuration as the rest of the page. So we don't need to create new packages for it because the packages are already defined. So we do need to shift and drag that into the container. Come down to our container and put it above the background, our feature box columns, and put that in the feature box. We're going to create a new container and call it feature box 1. And I think I'm going to be good with that. Oh no, we need to call it a C1. feature box 1 and feature box 2. Okay, we're going to drag feature box 2 and feature box 1, and I think I forgot to give this one a column 2. And then we're going to create a new widget area, because that's what we have we're going to use the Meteor slideshow, and that's got a widget that we can drag into there. So feature box widget, and we're going to drag that into feature box 1. Feature box 2 is going to have a text box in it. And the box name is going to be, let's see, feature box text. Open that up. Let's see. I have a location and other information here that I'm going to copy from this and paste there. And close that. Hit Save Template. And then we'll come over to our widgets area and refresh our widgets area, at which point we'll have our feature box widgets. And then I'm going to take my yeah, that's not the one. This is the one. That was my mistake. Okay, our locations goes in here. Back over and refresh this. Nope, that's not what I was looking for either. Pardon me. Let's try that again. Our location did go there. Where was that Meteor slideshow? Okay, I guess I never did do that. I thought I did. Meteor slideshow. Take a text widget and put it in there. Hit save. Oh, there it is. You're right. Meteor slides widget. I was just looking in the wrong spot. Just save it like that. Come back over. Refresh the page. Close this out. And if I give myself a little bit of margin there, that will hide the... You know, I almost feel like that doesn't need to be green. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just... We're going to come back over to the skin editor, go to CSS, go to our feature box. Oh no, it's the HTML editor, and just under our feature box we're going to get rid of that class. We'll call it feature box though. Save it. Come back over and refresh it. And then I can style this stuff the way I want. Had I had sufficient foresight, I would have made sure that my images fit in there nicely and we could style all this stuff as well. But there you go. That is, and if we come over to the main page, that's how easy it is to, make a fully customized site using Thesis 2.0. And while someone has observed that I might have been able to do a couple things a little faster had I just written a little bit of code, that's absolutely true. But on the other hand, I didn't need to write any code. And I can easily style all the text in these things so that they are all different in each place, just using those tools that you saw me show.